Here's how to convert JPEG to HEIF. So those HEIF files are those Apple like high quality image compression files, and usually you're converting from HEIC or HEIF to JPEG, which you can also do with this app, but you can convert JPEG to HEIF to go back. So this is called ConvertSave. I created this to convert images, video, and audio offline on Mac and Windows. You just drag in your files, select your output. In this case, we're going to go to HEIF. We can find that down here and hit convert. And it converts those images and saves them right back where the originals were. And so I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and we've released it as ConvertSave. You can find a link in the description down below, or you can just go to convertsave.com. It's as simple as that. It does exactly that. It converts and it saves. So there's a lot of different advanced features that we're looking to add here shortly, as well as maybe some different document formats beyond just images, video, and audio. You can go to PDF right now with images to PDF, but I'd like to add some more PDF support and some more document support as well. So check it out at the link in the description down below. I appreciate your guys' support. Let me know what you think of it, and hopefully this is a great utility that helps you not have to visit any random sketchy websites anymore for all of your different file conversions. I'll see you guys in the next one.